What's going on?
Here, you can look in
I
there if
think
you want.
it's evaporating at the edges, and as it's evaporating at the edges, like it's pulling the blood out of it, the middle of it, and it's formed like natural channels, like all throughout. But it kind of looks like blood moving through veins. Like sometimes it speeds up a bit. Do you need the?
There's the little island I was talking about right on the edge.
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Kind of going around it and coming back together. Do you see that lease on the right hand side?
The island?
Yeah, house, yeah, splitting and going around the island and coming back.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, huh?
That is pretty cool.
It's just cool to see like the red blood cells in motion, you know.
Yeah. That is awesome.
Need the thing to hold this still. We have them, kind of.